Country of origin: United States. Fits multiple makes and models. Contact seller with your vehicle for fitment compatibility information. Part number: SW6880. Package weight: 0.045 kilograms. Premium aftermarket replacement parts for Ford and Lincoln vehicles, tested to provide performance and long-life reliability. Labor included and no commercial exceptions. Top reviews from the United States. Should have replaced this years ago. Replacing it was a monster, but not because of the product. It was the Ford workers that screwed up and glued the wire harness onto the old switch and had no slack in the wire harness. I had two options. Pull the whole steering wheel or break apart the old switch and break the bracket that surrounded the plug. Crazy but easier than pulling steering wheel.